morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another vlog. We are about to get ready to go to Biloxi, and I have my cup of water. You know, gotta keep it hydrated. We don't need no dehydration on our trip to Biloxi. But you know, house tour coming soon. House tour coming soon. But we're about to have. Excuse me. We're about to have so much fun. You know, can't walk and talk down the stairs because your girl is clumsy and she might fall. But you know, we're getting there. So we're gonna have a long hour car ride just about to Biloxi. And you know, woke up early this morning. Could not sleep last night because it was super cold.
I might as well.
Woke up early this morning. And I said, thank you, Lord. His name like 5 times and he still didn't hear me. It's okay.
What, put him on the mat?
Yeah, just put your feet on the mat.
It's okay.
You got
I don't need no chips. That's
Are
mine.
they on the floor? Yes. Oh. I thought you meant spilled.
These, oh, they cold too.
I don't need that cold.
I don't need no chips.
You got this.
Huh?
You need me to pull up?
No, you good. Pull up.
Pull up.
Pull up.
Yeah. Pull
But
up.
for my eyebrows not to be cleaned up, they look really good. But like I said plenty of times before, we are on our way to Biloxi. This long hour car ride, just me and the cousins, minus my brother and sister.
That's 4.
Go follow me on YouTube at Yasmin Nicole.
Oh, I dropped the jar.
You know, a little self promo. But I'm gonna stop talking because all I'm doing right now is rambling.
Yeah.
So we're gonna get this show on the road. We've made it to the mall. Why every time I pull out my camera, you look at me and laugh like. I just want to take you serious.
Oh, your cakes is cute.
Thanks. But we've made it to the mall. Going to JC Penney's. But we're in Biloxi right now. You know, a little hour car ride. Thank you. But I don't know, child.
What time we meeting back up?
So I don't know what we're gonna do, but whatever we do, I'll pull it back out. You guys, wait, focus. Yes, we are in Dillis right now. Nicholas just finished buying him some pants. I've got some MAC, of course. Can't go anywhere without getting any makeup because you know, you gotta keep your stash up. But after this, we're gonna meet back in JCPenney's. Supposed to be there at 2 o'clock. It's 2:02. You know, CPT time. But we are going to the beach and I'm going to see Robbie. Robbie, I have not seen Robbie. It hasn't been a year because the last time I saw him was at Lott. But he's gonna meet me at the beach and it's gonna be so much fun. You guys are gonna love him. So when we get to the beach, I'll introduce you to Robbie. Yes, we're at the beach. Girl, I mean, y'all look at her.
I forgot I got my soda in my hand.
Soda pop. But we're at the beach. The water, it looked like the water hot out here, but it's cold. What? It's cold.
I'm really trying to give me some off.
And they in the they out there in the water on the jet ski and stuff, and the wind blowing. Skylar over here cold and stuff. Landon and Adria back there.
She is not playing with this today.
Oh, look who it is, Robbie.
Hi guys.
Saying,
You like it on the coast? You don't?
He crazy.
You don't like it on the coast?
I do. Oh, but she at the cabin, child.
She at the cabin.
Yeah. Nah, she ain't gonna be able to walk out here.
Wait, so what town are y'all in?
Huh?
What town?
My soul.
Where?
Mossel.
I never heard of that. Mossel?
I think that's how you say it. Mosselle.
I've never heard of that.
But y'all, I am so glad Robbie is here. We're having, I had to hold it up. This would happen when you short, oh, thumbnail.
Oh, I'm so weak.
Nothing but good times and laughs when I'm with Robbie.
Ooh, I'm so weak.
Robbie are about to not see each other
We're
for a
signing
while.
out.
We trying to have a graduation trip, but you know, that's probably not gonna happen.
Go
Knowing my little situation. Yeah, tell them to get us a yacht and all that other stuff.
Oh yeah, maybe you can get us a jet.
We going to Catalina. But say bye, Robbie.
Bye, XOXO Gossip Girl.